What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today, I'm gonna show you how to prune blueberry plants. So why is it important to prune your blueberry plants? Pruning your blueberry plants is important for 3 different reasons. The first reason is to increase airflow so you can decrease the chance of your blueberry plants catching any disease. The second reason is so you can tell your plant to focus its energy up here and produce bigger berries instead of down here, where it's going to produce small blueberries. And the third reason is because once your blueberry plants get 3 or 4 years old, the old branches won't produce as good as they used to. So you want to take those off so your blueberry plants can focus on new and healthy branches. So check out what our blueberry plant look like before we start pruning. So now that we got that out the way, let's start pruning our blueberry plants. Oh, and I almost forgot. This is a great tool to use for pruning your blueberry plants. A hand pruner. They take those branches right off. Easy. So, first thing we're gonna do is look at all of the lower branches like these. Remember I said we want to take these off because these are gonna produce small berries, and we want our blueberry plants to focus its energy up here so we can produce bigger blueberries. So, let's take this one off right here. And I know you're saying,
Hey, what are you doing? I'm throwing this away. We ain't even got no milk. You better eat.
Remember what I said. We want our blueberry plant to focus on producing big blueberries, not small blueberries. So let's take this off. You see how big these blueberry buds are? Check out these that we just took off. See how small these are? See this right here? We're gonna take this off too. We don't want our blueberry plant to focus any of its energy on this little small branch down here. So let's take that off. All right, let's see what we're gonna take off next. See this little branch down here? Let's take it off. We're gonna take this one off too. You also want to take off any broken branches. See this one right here? Let's just take this off. And when you're pruning your blueberry plant, you see this right here? You don't want to leave it like that. You want to make sure you get as close as you can to the branch. And if you see any branches that's crossing, like this one, you see it's crossing over this branch, you want to take those off as well. So we're going to take this one off right here in the middle to increase airflow. Let's take it off. So we got 2 more lower branches that's probably going to produce small blueberries, so we're going to take those off. See, one right here and one right here. And they also might not get that much sunlight, so let's take these off. Now that we're done pruning our blueberry plant, check it out. See how it looks now? We took off all the lower branches so our blueberry plant focuses energy on producing bigger blueberries. We took off all the broken branches or branches that's crossing each other. And this blueberry plant is not 3 or 4 years old, so we didn't have to take off any old branches. So now all we have to do is do the same thing to this blueberry plant.